Today on the channel, we are going to change the oil on this Jeep Renegade Trailhawk. Today on the channel, we are going to change the oil on this 2016 Jeep Renegade Trailhawk 2.4 liter. I figure I'll shoot a little video on this because there is a skid plate underneath there, and in order for you to access the oil filter, you have to drop the skid plate, which was a little bit difficult. It is steel, but it wasn't really all that hard. But first I want to tell you about upcoming car show that's coming up here on June 16th in Dixon City, PA, and it's called AutoFest, and it is put on by the Send It crew from the area, and they're going to have a burnout competition, a two-step competition, and a low limbo. They're going to have a DJ. I'm gonna be there. It'd be nice to see some of you people come out and ask me some questions. I'll give you some answers. And if you want more information on that, you could go to their Facebook site, which is F and Send It, and that's spelled F***KIN. Send It. Meet, and that's on their Facebook site. So let me show you where the oil filter and the drain plug is located on this Trailhawk. Okay, on the 2.4 liter, here's where your filler cap is for your oil. And here's the check level dipstick. And I will show you underneath where the oil filter is and the drain plug. So we'll get down here. Right here is your oil filter. That is where your oil filter is. And then further back, right behind the oil filter, is where your drain plug is, right here. That's a 13 millimeter. And that skid plate sits underneath all of this. And it covers it all. That's why you have to remove the skid plate. But let me show you on the skid plate what happened when I started taking it off. Okay, there's the underside of the skid plate, and you're looking at the bottom of it is the front of the skid plate. And here are the screws that need to come out of the skid plate. There are 5 Torx screws, there are 6 10 millimeter hex bolts, and there are 3 13 millimeter hex bolts. And the Torx ones, they go on each end, here, 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 there, and right there. On the skid plates, there is nuts already welded. And while I was trying to take this one off, as you can see, it snapped. And here's the broken piece. And all these are for is just to hold the bottom of your bumper onto the skid plate. So, but the skid plate does need to come off to change the oil, and the oil filter would be located right in this area here. So I'm going to put this back up on there and button it all up. Okay, we changed out the oil, and I hope this video helps you guys out in taking off the skid plate. But yes, the skid plate does need to come off, and it is kind of heavy, and you might need 2 people to do it. I was able to take it off by myself, but I am going to get somebody to give me a hand putting it back up. So if you like what you see here, hit me up in the comment section. Give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that way you can stay updated on when I post some new videos. I'm Joe, and driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll with Wicked Fabz.